Metabolic syndrome. That's if you have high cholesterol, high blood sugar, high blood pressure, excess weight that you can't get rid of, right? Metabolic syndrome, that's what it is. We've got so many comments, so many messages asking us, hey, can you help me right now? I don't want to have to wait every day for your post. And the answer is yes. I partnered with a nutritionist, Chris McKee. We started a company called Divine Farmer Health, and we created the 28-day Metabolic Reset specifically for metabolic syndrome. It helps you lay the foundation so that you can start reversing, get your body to reverse these metabolic syndromes by itself and not be dependent upon a crutch. You can go onto our website, Divine Farmer Health, and see some of the testimonials of people that have already gone through this program. Some of them were diabetics, and they reversed it through our program. That's not a guarantee, but what we do is we help you set a strong foundation. We do it differently. We do it by restoring organ function, because that's the only way. If you want your body to do it by itself, you got to get your organs functioning correctly, and that's what we help you with. And that's the key to our program, is organ restoration. Now, we are running a promotion, so sign up